What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create desktop shortcuts for apps on your Windows PC. Desktop shortcuts are a quick and easy way to access your favorite apps, files or folders directly from your desktop, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. Start by clicking on the Windows 11 Start menu. You might try to drag and drop pinned apps directly onto the desktop, only to find it doesn't work as expected. Instead, click on All Apps to view all the applications installed on your computer. The key here is to left-click and hold onto the app you've chosen, then drag it to the desktop and release. This action creates a shortcut link directly on your Windows 11 desktop. This method works for any app listed under All Apps, allowing you quick and easy access right from your desktop. If you find your taskbar getting crowded because you've pinned too many apps for quick access, creating desktop shortcuts can be a great solution to keep your workflow organized and efficient. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.